Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to the vlog. You saw in the last few clips that me and Steven went on a date night, a kind of celebratory date night the night before to celebrate being monetized on YouTube and a new job, blah, 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 starting renovations on our bathroom, etc. So I slept in a little bit this morning. I obviously needed my fix of caffeine in preparation for a 12-hour workday. You heard that right. I recently took on a new job for the summer, which I can't tell you guys what it is, but I can tell you it is not dance related. I still do teach dance full-time as well, so it's been a rough past week. And I was so fortunate that Tuesday, being the day before I started my first day at my new work, I actually got a shipment of dose juice, which I desperately needed for this week. And you guys know I love this ginger turmeric shot. You can also use my code JasmineMcD for 15% off your first order of dose juice. It was obviously really strong, but it makes me feel super awake in the morning. You can see all the quality and organic ingredients on the back of these dose juices. And it makes me really content and happy to know that me and my family have a nutritious supply of healthy juices on hand to go. So don't forget to check out Dose Juice. Good morning and hello, my name is Jasmine McDonald. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I post ballet and fitness related videos every single Tuesday, Thursday, and now Sunday. And if you're also new here, you may as well hit subscribe. Today's video, I'm gonna take you along with me on a 12-hour workday. I recently took a part-time job. I can't tell you where it is, but I obviously can't film during it, but I thought I'd hang out with you guys going to work, getting back from work, maybe the next day or two. But this morning I don't start until 10, so I'm gonna do a little bit of a workout. I want to overtire myself because I am teaching dance later tonight, and I know if I do ballet and do a really heavy workout, I'm actually going to pass out. So I have some juices from Dose to go with me, and I'm going to prep myself some lunch, get ready, and probably leave in the next hour or so, but I'm just gonna do some light stretching first. I always try to get in a little bit of movement first thing, whether that's some light stretching, going for a walk with my dog, or even just dance teaching. Even if I have a really long day coming up like today, I try to do a little bit of maintenance work since we only have one body and we better take care of it because we're with it for the rest of our lives. Now, because I had such a long day coming up, the last thing I wanted to do at 10 o'clock at night was cook a full meal. So I cut up some cucumbers as a snack to take with me to work. I had some leftovers from the dinner that we went to the night before, which was a curry, and I also made some pasta just in case I didn't have enough food. I also packed the Taxi pineapple flavored Dose juice to take with me to work, and I love that as a pick-me-up in my 15-minute break. I watered all the plants before I left, played with Luna Vaguna. I also gave Elsa a little bit of a cuddle, continued watering the plants, and then by that time my pasta was pretty much done. I always try to keep an eye on it even when I'm watering the plants. I'm not too far from the kitchen, so I did keep an eye on it the whole time, and I definitely overboiled it. That's why it stuck together. Then I put on my pointe shoes because I figured, why not? You know, I had a little bit more time, so I put on my pointe shoes just for 10 or 15 minutes, especially now that I'm doing a lot less teaching since the season's almost over. Competitive season is pretty well finished. Now the kids just have their recital, but I still want to keep that passion of mine throughout the summer while I have a little bit of a break from teaching. So I try to dance every single day, even if it's just like 10 or 15 minutes, because it's my passion. It's also my hobby, and it's what I love doing, and it's how I love to stay in shape. All right, just finished filming a few TikToks. I'm going to get changed for work because I can't wear this to work. And then I'm going to head out. This is my very exciting outfit of the day to go to my not dance job. So after I finished my first job at 3, I got home at 3:30, and then I had to leave at 4 to be on time for work at 4:30 in the next job. So it was kind of a hectic day, so I hope you understand this vlog's very short because it was a little bit stressful and chaotic. Nonetheless, I woke up the next morning at 6:30 after I got home at night at like 11 o'clock, so I didn't get that much sleep, but I figured I'd finish the vlog here, teach my ballet class from 7 until 8 because then I work from 9 until 8 tonight. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Let me know in the comments down below what you think and what you want to see next. As always, it's such a pleasure. Have a great rest of your day. Stay safe. Happy dancing, and bye now.